The next dish I prepare is a quick bean, mussel, and clam dish.
Okay.
Ma che si fa? What are we gonna do with this small little pepperoncino?
È small.
No.
Ma questo diciamo è per tutti.
Okay, beautiful. A little bit of oil, of course. And we're just gonna lightly saute the clams and mussels. We just saute it, and then you have all this great liquid that comes out.
Però dici, ma scusa.
Bruno wants to add tomatoes, and I'm like, come on, no tomatoes. And we're like, okay, let's come to a compromise. 2 tomatoes, that's it.
Even if it's wrong. Only tu, dopo con I fagioli mi darai ragione.
No. So now it's just about shelling our mussels and clams. We've shelled our frutta di mare, our mussels and clams, and now we're just gonna remove the garlic. These beans have been soaked, boiled until soft, and then we're just gonna reduce it. Some bruschetta or some toasted bread on the bottom to get all that beautiful brodo. Vado. Little hit of parsley and a little hit of olive oil.